This is the elevator at the Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh, Homewood branch in Homewood, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Kate's Fire and Ice Elevators. And of course, it's a Schindler 330A, like I thought it would. LL, lower level. Here at the lower level, someone called it. What floor?
Actually, please.
2. Thank you. There you go.
Well, thank you.
This thing is really noisy. Go back on the ground. This is a very noisy elevator. Obviously, I have it on a pretty basic red cab. It's interesting. Very noisy, very vibrating. There's a directory. This thing is not that great. Faded. Carnegie Library, Homewood. Carnegie Library, Pittsburgh, Homewood edition. Or branch. Of course, I knew it. It would be Schindler, since I knew this place was renovated. Here, ground. There it goes, and that's it.